welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick short video on a review, LevTec. We've got a LevTec kit here. I want to give a shout out to RTC Russo Trading Company for providing this LevTec starter kit for us. We're going to talk about the system, the price, the difference between this new system compared to the old system. The wedges have changed, the clips have changed, so here we go. Alright, here it is, guys. LevTec starter kit. What we're going to do is simple. We're going to open this up, unbox it, talk about what's included, and compare the two systems. Now, they recently upgraded their wedges and clips. We're going to compare the two, talk about the differences, and talk about the prices. This has dropped down quite a bit in price, so let's open this up. Again, you get a nice, solid case. It includes pliers. Again, these are fairly generic pliers. They're the same with RLS and many others, but these are floor pliers. They can work for walls as well, for showers. Included are 2 bags of clips. Now, these are 1/8 inch clips. We always use 1/16, so we're gonna toss these aside and pull out the new 1/16 inch clips. Now, this is somewhat of a sponsored video. RTC Russo Trading Company sent us a starter kit. These are clips from LevTec, the new clips that I purchased with my own money. So what we're gonna do is open these guys up, compare the new clips to the old clips, compare the new wedges to the old wedges. Here we go. All right, what we're gonna do is pretty simple. We're gonna talk about the differences from the old system, clips and wedges, versus the new system, and we're gonna show you how this new system works by installing large format tile. So here we go. Again, you've got your new wedges there. As you can see, reinforced. Let's compare the new wedges to the old wedges. There's an old wedge. Side to side, you can see a significant difference in the wedge. Obviously, it's more reinforced. 2, they're longer. 3, they're skinnier at the tip for thick tile, anything 3/8 of an inch and above. And one benefit I can take from the new wedges is that you can use this now as a shim, a spacer. It's a lot thinner and sharper at the tip of the wedge. Now, I've got to say, I've been using these for quite some time now. I think maybe a couple of months. We've been using the new wedges. We have not broke a single wedge yet. Not one wedge has broken. These guys were breaking quite often. So now let's talk about the difference in the clips. Here are the old LevTec clips. And here are the new LevTec clips. Now, off the bat, better bag. You've got a Ziploc bag here so you can open and close. Let's open these 2 bags and compare the clips. Now, here are the 2 clips. On the left are the old LevTec clips. On the right are the new LevTec clips. Right off the bat, this thing bends quite a bit, a lot of flexibility. This is a lot more rigid. Also, you can see that within the clip there, it drops down to 45 degrees on each side to help with cleaner break-offs. It looks like the base is bigger as well. And also, as you can see there, it's a lot thinner here than it is there, which as well helps with breakout. So basically, their goal was to make a better, more improved clip that does not break during installation and does not break within the tile. It breaks off cleanly so that you don't have to cut out those plastic little pieces of the clip. So yeah, the clips look good. Let's mix up some mud and test them out with an install. All right, guys, let's mix up some thin set and show you how this tile leveling system works on large format tile. Clips. And wedges. Just like that. Insert the wedge, use the pliers, nice and flat, you're good to go. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching this quick review on LevTec's new clip and wedge system. I hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.